Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it a ton. So guys, today is literally the day after the autocross event, so I'm really upset about this. Instead of this happening the day before the autocross event, it happened the day after, but I got some boxes. As you can tell, Energy and Circuit Sport. I used Circuit Sport. I have their lower extended ball joints and their outer tie rods. Great quality, I am loving them. And then Energy, I think y'all know what this is based on the thumbnail and based on the picture. Well, based on the thumbnail and based on the name. But let's take a look at these tools, Allen key, and all the necessary bolts. And then the hub. This is a hub for the Miata to stick, directly to my clock spring. More tools. And the important boy, the actual quick release itself. The lever. The quick release. I need to figure out what I have, myself. And then once I figure out what I've got myself, I am going to go over to AutoZone, because no matter what, I know I need wire strippers. Because I used to borrow my dad's, but I'm an adult now apparently and have my own house, so I have to go buy my own wire strippers because I don't have any. And then I also have to figure out and buy whatever I'll need for this project. Okay, I'm an idiot and completely forgot the important part of this video, the whole reason why I'm making this video. The piece de resistance. NRG flat bottom steering wheel. It's a 330 millimeter, and yeah, I'm so excited for a quick release. For anybody who loves the ding, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna have the ding. I'm not gonna do it. It's not happening. No ding for my steering wheel. But 330 millimeter NRG flat bottom steering wheel. With Miatas, there's very little leg room. I'm already very limited in my leg room, so I'm really excited to have the flat bottom steering wheel, as well as to have a smaller steering wheel, because not only is the steering wheel really loose, because it's such a big wheel, it's very easy to move, so that'll help stiffen it up a little bit, but also having a 330 mil will give me a lot of leg room, and a flat bottom, it's all great. I have a flat bottom on the Focus. That's stock with the ST, and I think it feels amazing. I love my flat bottom. So now let's go to the AutoZone and buy the things that I need. I do want to make one thing very clear. I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. There are 4 screws that I gotta get out of the back of the steering wheel to get the airbag off. I already disconnected the negative terminal. I'm sorry, the positive terminal on the battery. So that's already disconnected. So don't worry, I'm not gonna have this explode on me. I hope. I don't think this even works. I freaking crashed into a wall at almost 40 miles an hour and it didn't go off. Somebody said while removing the airbag, it's probably not the best idea to be right in front of it, which is probably true. I'm probably just being a little paranoid, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. OEM airbag out. Okay, there we go. Woo! Miata steering wheel. So that the I bought some extra wiring. Oh, this is green. Oh, this is brown? I don't know, I'm colorblind. So I got this done and shrink wrapped. So what I'm going to do now is, I was originally going to, if you can see on the inside that there's this metal ring right here, I was originally just going to have the negative like taped onto here and hope that it'll work. But I plugged in the battery, the battery's disconnected now, but I plugged in the battery earlier and then tried tapping against this while it was connected to this, like connected to the steering shaft, and it didn't work. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to end up wrapping this wire around where the nut goes, right below it, and hoping that that works. So let's start with cutting like a pretty decent amount. Got the clock spring at top dead center right now. I've got the steering wheel at top dead center now. Or clock springs at TDC. I've got this dot at top dead center. Oh, right there. Now, stick this in. Now I stick this bolt in. I'm probably still gonna have to do an alignment. Get a quick toe and go, nothing too crazy. There we go, 38 foot-pounds. Wires. And then find the top. Okay. There we go. That was really satisfying, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, the moment I've been waiting for a very long time. Holy moly. This horrible. This best thing I've ever done. I'm not gonna test drive it on video just because it's getting a little late. I just want to get to bed honestly because I gotta get to work at 7 a.m. tomorrow and it's about 11 o'clock right now, so I gotta take care of a few things tonight. So this makes me so freaking happy. Look at the size difference in this. This isn't huge. That's so bad. I'm so glad I got this taken care of, and it's got a working horn, so I know what I'm doing. It was honestly pretty painless compared to like some of the other stuff that I've done. This is one of the easier installs, and it's such a massive like thing to do. Oh, that made me so happy, especially because it's got like a working horn too. Okay guys, that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here, supporting me, helping me out. If you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. Tell me what you think about this down below in the comments. Tell me what you think I should do within a reasonable price range. The next thing I'm probably doing is engine mounts, and then bigger sway bar links, I think will be the next move on the car. Yeah. That being said, guys, thank you so much for being here. Make sure to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. And guys, I'll catch you in the next video. I'm so excited!